everyone. I am Ashutosh Raj. I secured AIR 49 in the recently conducted Indian Forest Service Examinations 2022 in my third attempt. I would like to take an opportunity to thank Justin sir and the entire Gallant IAS team for the help that they provided during my interview preparation stage. There were several sessions that were conducted with toppers and also with serving IFS officers, and these certainly helped me in preparing better. Also, one-to-one session with Justin sir and Neetu ma'am that helped me a lot in understanding my weaknesses and preparing on them. To my fellow aspirants, I would like to say that don't get disheartened with the setbacks. Rather, use them as stepping stone and bounce back even higher in the next attempt. And I would say that believe in the process and success would follow naturally. And once again, I would like to thank in the entire Gallant IAS team for the wonderful work that they are doing. Thank you.